Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your language on Bitcoin wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, launch Open Your Bitcoin.com wallet application on your mobile device and make sure to log into your account. Once you are signed into your account, from the main homepage, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner. From the settings menu, tap on App Preferences. Now, select the language option at the very top. From the list of available language options, select the one that you are trying to change to for your display. And soon after you do that, you will be able to change your display language for Bitcoin.com wallet app. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.